We're aware that a lot of educators have been asking how you can call parents without having them see your number. So today I wanted to show you a quick hack to use Google Meet to mask calls. When you're in your Meet and you always have this option, you can just click here for Join Now. And once you have that and it has this option that shows up, you can click on Add People. Once you have that, instead of using the invite button this way, I would use the call button, and you can go ahead and type in the phone number of the parent you are trying to call. I would suggest obtaining their phone numbers from Pulling Reports at Synergies, maybe probably enter class list, and you could enter their phone number, and then once that's in there, you can hit call, and then it'll go ahead and call them, and it'll mask your call so they can't see the phone number. This is what it will look like on the parent's end. Issue to keep in mind is that it makes the call look like it's coming from New York, so I would notify parents of that if you are planning on using this method for communication. But it's a great way to mask your own cell phone number when conferencing with parents.